You know, I just ate a big lunch and I'm thinking I'm gonna get to India and I'm gonna get fat. How the hell are these French women so damn skinny? Oh, excuse me. How are French women so skinny?
Because we walk a lot.
Okay. I walk a lot too.
Every lunch and every dinner we eat dessert.
French people eat dessert at every meal?
Yes.
This brings me back to the whole point. Look at Carol. Carol, turn around. Show them how slim you are.
I don't know. It's a mystery.
It's a mystery that I want to solve on this trip. How do French girls stay slim?
I don't know because
We are lucky.
I don't know. We eat ice cream, so
Also eat a lot of bread.
yes, I love bread. Yes,
Every day?
yes,
You eat cheese? You eat cheese every day?
yes, I love cheese. Yes, cheese is the best. In France is the best.
You eat cheese every day?
Yes, every
bread.
day.
Cheese and bread every day?
Yes.
Why are French women so thin? Practice a lot of sports. Why are French women so slim?
Because we drink a lot of wine and make love a lot.
Oh my gosh, drink a lot of wine and make love a lot. This is going to be my exercise regime. Make love, drink wine, the French way to stay slim.